What's up, Pennsylvania? It's your boy Tony Doyle. TonyDoyleInspires.com, and we are somewhere really cool. Really special. I got a treat for you today. We are talking about one of my favorite topics, and that is getting back to nature and why. So we're going to be talking about oneness. We're going to be talking about the lessons that nature can teach us, and I'm going to be introducing you to one of my little private spots. This is a nature center. We're looking through the glass here out into a little observation park. So, and if everything goes good, we'll probably see lots of different natural things, but I wanted to show you a little bit about this. This is the city which I live, and so we're talking about the insects of Indiana. Got plenty of books on trees and all the different stuff. And this is a little education center within the nature center. And we host a bunch of like Saturday nature programs here for kids, scout troops, school projects, other civic organizations. So you can see there's a little bit about a lot of stuff here. Pretty much anything that someone might be interested in checking out. It's cool, huh? And like I said, it's basically to pique the interest of the kiddos and actually anybody that might come in. It has a lot to do with the actual wildlife that we have here in this part of Indiana, which we're in south central Indiana right here. So I'm actually going to hit the lights so you don't get so much reflection here. And we're going to go through the rest of the nature center as well. So this is our little observation post, and we have several different breeds of animals that come here on a daily basis, including deer, squirrels, chipmunks, beavers, all types of different birds. As you can tell here, it is fall. We've got leaves on the ground. We still have some green in the trees, but a lot of leaves are going down here. It has been getting cold at night several nights in a row now, about a couple weeks, and that usually spells the end of the summertime and we move into fall. And quickly behind that into winter here in Indiana. So I'll share some of that coolness with you out there. Excuse my voice. Like I said, with the weather change, I actually have got a little bit of something going on there with my voice. But once again, the whole idea of a nature park like this is to get a lot of different things, eclectic things, and as you know, I love eclectic things. But get a little bit about a whole lot of subjects and see where you can pique interest. So I'll just take you through here a little bit as we're talking. And hopefully it's interesting for you, because the reason why it's important, well, there's lots of reasons it's important to get back to nature, and we talk about them on this channel all the time. But one of the main things I like to focus on is the oneness, right? We are nature. We're all nature. Black king snake. What's up, buddy? So everything we identify and can connect with is a part of us that we're identifying and connecting with again. Compassion doesn't end with our family or with our species. Another important reason I feel it's great and almost essential, honestly, if you want to live a balanced life, to get back into nature, is really every lesson, issue, perceived problem that we can come across has already been solved multiple times in nature. And I challenge you just to take a look at that for yourself. There's so much we can learn from nature about flowing with things, about seasons. So when we take the time to consciously reconnect with that which we are, we become more of ourselves. There's a picture that was taken from right here. Pretty interesting. Obviously it wasn't a cold, windy fall day, as it is today. Not too much wildlife stirring out there right now. Probably they are there's a couple days of rabbit out there right there, I see. But I would say most of the wildlife has gotten themselves hatched down a little bit because it is windy and cool out. We've got lots of displays here, once again, to get folks interested in the outdoors. And these are the things that are here. You can see each of these cards show the range of where these animals like to live. These are all Indiana species. The things we celebrate here a lot are bats. We actually have festivals to bats here. We've got a lot of species here because this is a lot of caves here in the Midwest. So again, more educational materials. Talking about our forests and our native tree species. And then we've got a touch table here. And let me just let you know, you see some stuffed and mallet animals and things, none of those were killed for this display of any type. So these are things that have died a natural death out in nature. And we bring them in here, like I said, to display and garner interest. And really, we focus on their natural habitats, ways to help them thrive, and the lessons that we can learn from them. Some of the rocks and minerals found here in Indiana. So as you guys know, if you follow me, you know I work a lot with youth organizations and scout troops and kids in behavioral health or mental health issues, autistic kids, different things like that. I love bringing them here. Like I said, we do Saturday programs at least once a month. Some months we do every single Saturday. Lots of fun stuff to do out here. And once again, get them reconnected with a part of themselves that they may have not been familiar with, honestly. I've seen city kids get out here that's never seen more than a pigeon and just have the time of their lives reconnecting with Mother Nature, the trees, the plants, all the animals. It's good stuff. So I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about that today. So hopefully that's interesting for you. And get him behind here. That's cool. Huh? Hopefully this has been interesting for you. Like I said, just a quick little tour, but the whole point of this channel is to bring you all the things that inspire me, and this is definitely something that I use both for my own inspiration and to inspire the younger generation. So if that's something that is important to you, I would invite you to please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, check it out. We've got lots and lots of videos of similar things to this. All kind of different things on there. But it's all meant to be inspirational in one form or another. So appreciate you guys checking us out. If you would like notification, hit that little bell symbol to let you know every day when we put out new content, because we do put out new videos every single day. And you know, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Actually works with YouTube and the little mathematical formula they've got going on there, the algorithm, and it helps people who might not normally be alerted to this type of thing to let them know we're there and check out the videos. So if you like it, do that. If you love it, you know, share directly out. Certainly appreciate you guys popping in and checking out a little piece of what we do here in Central Indiana. So I'll just give you another quick little bit of tour as we're checking out here. But I love that you guys are interested in this, and like I said, I hope you can share it with your friends as well. I may bring you back for a Saturday program sometime. So we'll just go outside the nature center here and check out a little bit more. And then I'll let you go for the day. Like I said, it is cool and windy, so you'll have to forgive the audio out here. So there's our nature center. This is the nature center I come to most often. Like I said, it is right outside where I operate and work with most of my kids. So they're all well familiar with this park and with this nature center. I would challenge you to find a nature center within your own area that you can frequent. Just get outside and appreciate. You know what I'm saying? As I always say, if you are not inspired, you're just not looking around, not appreciating enough. We're abundant in so many ways. I'm telling you, Mother Nature has a lot for us to learn. Okay? I'm telling you, if you're having any problems, any solutions, bring it out here into the natural elements. and meditate on it out here, where you can smell the smells, you can feel the peace out here, the natural sounds, and like I said, if you want to connect, find yourself a nature center that you can call home. This is mine, and I'm happy to share it with you guys. So until tomorrow, I'm going to leave you with that, and I'm sending you peace and love. See you tomorrow. Thanks.